Welcome to my successful how-to videos. One of the topics where I am very proud is my workshop, where I have all the tools that I need to work on my car, on my trains, around the house, and also for my professional real estate activity. I want to show you two devices that I have found and that are very rare. One is this cigarette lighter adapter. When you are at home and you want to test a cigarette lighter accessory, so an accessory working out of the 12-volt cigarette lighter, you don't have that plug typically at home. And I found that it's very convenient to have that. So for the younger generation who is more used to USB power, this is what it looks like. And you just plug it inside the hole, and then you have the accessory which is now working out of a 120 volt outlet. So love that. My second is it's a special plug, and look, it has the typical three-prong for any electric device, but then it has also the socket for a light bulb, and it's very easy. Oops, sorry, you don't see anymore. Let me you see, I use that to test all my light bulbs, so very useful. If you want those accessories, there might be a link below the video in the description so that you can buy them. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.